मुंबई पानी हर साल का वही टेंशन, हमारा BMW वहाँ फंसा है। अभी सरकार से क्या, बारिश है तो क्या सरकार को बोलेंगे, सरकार अपना काम कर रही है। तो बारिश में अभी क्या, ये नेचुरल फ्लड है, उसको कुछ बोल नहीं सकते ना, खाली पीली किसके ऊपर दोष दे के फायदा नहीं।
मुंबई के बारे में बस इतना ही कहूंगा कि अपना जो भी है दादर इलाका है ना, हर साल पानी भरता है इधर पे, कभी कोई चीज की सुविधा नहीं होती है, हमेशा इधर पे यही प्रॉब्लम रहती है, हमेशा इधर पे यही कारण रहता है। कभी भी बीएमसी अपना काम ठीक करती नहीं है। जब भी देखेगा ना यहाँ पे हर साल पानी भरता है और यहाँ की जो गवर्नमेंट है ना बिल्कुल भी लाचार है एकदम, और जरा भी ध्यान नहीं देते बीएमसी वाले लोग। अभी मैं जा रहा था कुर्ला से परेल तक जा रहा था, सिर्फ कुर्ला से परेल तक जाने के लिए मेरे को इतना प्रॉब्लम हुआ, इतना दिक्कत हुआ है, करीबन मुझे 2 घंटा लग गया है ट्रैफिक के अंदर।
तकलीफ हुआ, मेरे गाड़ी बसों पर आए उधर अंदर पानी में।
इतना पानी भर जाएगा तो कभी सोचा नहीं था। अभी बारिश के सामने किसकी चलती नहीं है।
बारिश में कभी गड्ढे गुड्ढे भी रहते हैं ना, बरोबर वो कभी किधर गड्ढा आदमी गिर गया, किधर बरोबर वो भी नहीं है ना। अभी आदमी कैसे जाएगा बारिश में, ट्रेन बंद, बस बंद, सब बंद।
All right, as far as when it comes to the modes of transportation that has been affected, of course, when it comes to the public transport, locals being the lifeline of Mumbai, that have also been affected. Multiple trains either have been halted and they are running late or they have been cancelled. Regular updates on part of when it comes to the authorities, whether be it the Mumbai police, also the BMC, and also when it comes to the suburban, when it comes to the locals as well, regular updates that are now being shared. Let's in the meantime take a look at far as the Central Railway Mumbai division is concerned. The name of the trains, the number, and of course that have been affected, they stand cancelled. This is the date 8/7/2024, which is today. Reason that has been given due to waterlogging in BV division in various station. Inconvenience cause is regretted, and all of these 4 trains that have now been mentioned, CSMT Pune Singar Express, the Pune Deccan Queen, and Pune CSMT Deccan Express, Pune CSMT Intercity Express, they stand cancelled. So they have been saying just because of the reasons that there is waterlogging and the tracks that have been affected. When it comes to these trains that have been cancelled, regular updates that are also being shared on the social media posts when it comes to the locals, and of course the advisories on part of the flights, the airlines as well, that has also been issued. However, there is no information yet when it comes to any flight being cancelled or being delayed, but advisories that have been issued on part of the airlines which have been asking the people, the passengers, to come to the airport way before time so that they can make it and they can catch their flight. The images there, different parts of the city. This is the financial capital, believe it or not, and when it comes to the high-end areas like Worli and Kurla, this is the King Circle railway station in Dadar. These are the pictures that you can need to actually see to believe it. Let's in the meantime also get Mr. Vineet Abhishek is with us right now. Sir, can you hear me?
Please go ahead.
Vineet Abhishek, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you properly. Please
yes, sir. Good morning to you. However, the pictures that are coming in from Mumbai this morning, sir, are not looking that good, sir. Locals that have been affected, of course, we are looking at real-time updates that are being shared. What is the situation, sir, looking like as of now?
Thank you for your question. I'll be able to comment on the western railway portion of Mumbai,
yes,
which means the route from Churchgate towards Virar all the way to Surat and further towards Delhi route. All our trains are running properly. There was some increase in water level, but our trains operations did not stop. When I say this, what I mean is the train services from between Churchgate to Virar. The locals continued running properly. On the slow lines, the locals were running late by almost 5 to 10 minutes, but that's about it. All our tracks are running properly. All our trains are running properly on the western line.
Well, that's good to know that the operations are running smoothly, sir. But as far as when it comes to the locals, which are often referred to as the lifeline, we are looking at many trains that either they have been halted or they have been suspended or even cancelled. But you're saying your route as far as Western Railway is concerned, all of the trains are running on time as per schedule.
Yes. On the slow track, by slow track I mean the track on which the trains halt at all the stations. The trains were running late by 5 to 10 minutes, briefly for about 1 to 2 hours. But as of now, even the trains on the slow lines are also running on time.
All
and
right.
there was
Thank
no
you very much.
cancellation, no halting.
Thank you very much, Mr. Abhishek. Well, that is the reassurance that is coming as far as the Western Railway is concerned. Of course, those lines are clear and the trains are running slightly behind schedule. But Arunil, is that the situation that we are looking at the other locals as well? In the meantime, we also talk about the Mumbai BMC Commissioner, who has also issued a statement saying that they are monitoring the situation, and he himself is monitoring the situation personally. From the disaster control room that has been set up, there are emergency personnel and officers along with the emergency control room who are stationed in various locations in Mumbai, and they are keeping an eye on all the developments, and all deputy commissioners, assistant commissioners and other systems of the corporation are active at various locations. So amid all of the questions and the concerns are being raised on part of the civic authorities, because this is a story unfortunately that almost repeats every year. Arunil, the BMC is saying that they are active on ground, their personnel are active on ground, but of course there are pictures that still continue to come in of waterlogging and how the people are suffering.
Well, that is what this story state about the BMC is. Every year, they basically say that they are prepared for the monsoons. The garbage has been cleared. Desilting has taken place. Water streams are being cleared so that the rainwater can reach to the sea, the Arabian Sea as well. But unfortunately, on the ground, that is not the case. The visuals of the BMC commissioner or the other top bosses of the BMC from their disaster control management room may be coming in, but on the ground, the plight of Mumbaikars is extremely sorry. It's very in a very pitiable condition, I would like to put it out. The reason for that is only 6 hours of heavy rainfall from 1 a.m. to around 7 a.m. in the morning. Now the rains have mellowed down, but unfortunately in several low-lying areas there is still high water logging that can be noticed. People who wanted to go to their offices on a Monday morning, they had to cancel their plan, unfortunately, because of this water logging. Speaking about the railways as well, yes, the Western Railways has been running smoothly. There are not much discrepancies, but speaking about the Central Railways, particularly between Bhandup and the Nahur station, the railway tracks were submerged because of the water logging, and it affected people as well. We'll try and speak to some of the commuters as well. इतना ट्रैफिक लगा है, कितना दिक्कत होता है आपको जाने के लिए? बारिश के टाइम पे हमेशा हम ये देखते हैं, कितना दिक्कत होता है साहब?
बहुत ज्यादा सर, बारिश की वजह से।
सरकार से आप कुछ आप आवेदन करोगे कि कुछ अच्छी तरीके से सुविधाएं दे?
सुविधा होना चाहिए सर।
So you can see commuters basically are also expecting more facilities from the government, because this is the financial capital of the country. A BMC having a budget of more than 40,000 crore, and still on the ground there is bumper to bumper traffic because of the water logging.
Ridden with potholes, roads that are completely filled with water logging that has been taking place, advisories that have now been issued. BMC says a control room that has been set up, and of course when it comes to an orange alert that has now been issued for different parts of the state of Maharashtra, because this is going to be the situation that will be witnessed in the coming 24 to 48 hours. Arunil will keep us updated, and of course we would love to hear from the viewers themselves on what they have to say on this situation that is almost every year witnessed in the financial capital of the country.